Today I'm showing you guys how to make the robot voice effect free on your iPhone, and it's super simple and easy, so let's just get started.
Make it on my own, but I don't wanna grow up, we can stay forever.
So the first step for this tutorial is to download the app Video Voice. It's free on the App Store, and then once you have it downloaded, you're going to want to go into the app, and it's going to look like this, and you're going to go to the top left corner to that camera button, and you're going to select video and choose the video from your camera roll. Now, I suggest something that you do is you just split the maybe 5-second clip that you want the voice effect on in iMovie or CapCut, and then save that to your camera roll and upload that, because this effect will go over the entire duration of your movie. And unless you want an entire video with the alien effect, then I don't suggest doing this. So then you're just going to go to your camera roll and you're going to scroll through and find that clip. And then you're going to press choose once you have it, and it's just going to open up. So my screen didn't show it because what happened is that this app doesn't let you screen record the actual clip. But at the top you can see the clip loaded, and at the bottom, which I'm moving now, you'll see that there's a robot effect. Now, some of these effects you have to either pay for or you have to share on Facebook in order to use, but the robot effect is free, so you just click on that and it will go over the entire duration of your video, and you can play around with the pitch to see how high or how low you want it. And when you press that play button, it will show you the video clip with the effect. It's just that mine didn't because it doesn't let you record it. But basically that's it. And then once you have that, what you're going to do is go to the top right corner where you see the box with the arrow coming out of it, and then save it to your photos. And then now when I go into my photo albums, you'll see this.
So this one was the most surprising thing out of this whole series.
So that was the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and that it helped you out. If it did, be sure to comment iEditingX, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!